my name is Vanessa and I've been undertaking the Juris Doctor degree at the University of New South Wales. Currently, I'm in the third year of my studies, and in the first semester of 2013, I undertook an internship as part of the UNSW Law internship subject. Since November 2012, I have been working at Redfern Legal Centre as a volunteer legal assistant. Established in 1977, Redfern Legal Centre was the first community legal centre in New South Wales. It is also the second community legal centre in Australia. It focuses on helping people that are less advantaged within the community and helps to also educate people with the current legal reforms and other legal issues. Behind me, you have the front desk area where all the volunteer legal assistants work under the supervision of a shift supervisor, and this is where all the actions happen. We're the initial contact point for the general public and all the clients. We assist them with their inquiries, whether they are legal issues or just general questions. Each community legal centre operates under a system where they will provide assistance for certain catchment areas. And for Redfern Legal Centre, our catchment area is the suburbs surrounding Redfern, inner city, and also Botany areas. Redfern Legal Centre provides assistance to 6 main areas. The first is the area of tenancy. The second is credit and debt issues. The third one is employment and discrimination issues. The fourth one is police power and administrative law, where they deal with police complaints and other government organisation complaints. The fifth one is women's domestic violence advocacy service, which they will provide assistance to victims that are of domestic violence. And finally, it is the international student services. For 2 of those services, the international services and the police power and administrative law do not operate under the catchment area criteria. They are a statewide service. As a legal assistant, we will help the client to identify the issue and see which area of law that it would touch up on. And then we will confirm with the supervisor to see if it is an area that we can provide assistance with. It is important to keep in mind that we cannot provide any sort of legal advice. It will be professional misconduct. It will cause complications for the legal centre as well.
Volunteers work closely together as a team by carrying out assigned tasks and also to help each other out during shifts. The supervisor helps us to correctly identify which matter we can assist with and which ones must be referred out onto a different organisation. Once we have identified that the matter falls under an area of law that we can provide assistance with, the person would then be able to receive advice from a solicitor at the centre. We will then proceed to make an appointment for them. The team of solicitors and practical legal training students work hard to provide the best and most efficient service. The centre is also assisted by volunteer solicitors who provide pro bono work outside their normal working hours. The administrators are crucial to the team as they manage the case files and support all areas of work at the centre. Community legal centres are important within our community. In March this year, the Attorney General Mark Dreyfus provided $60,000 funding to the Redfern Legal Centre. Mr. Dreyfus himself also volunteered at a community legal centre in Melbourne for a couple years when he was a law student. Here's what our volunteers manager, Sophie, thinks on the importance of community legal centres.
Hi, my name is Sophie Farrell. I work as the Communications and Volunteer Manager here at Redfern Legal Centre. So why do we think that community legal centres are important in our community? Basically because we provide access to justice for the most vulnerable members of our community. So Redfern Legal Centre services are available to anyone in our local catchment area, except we do prioritise the most vulnerable members of our community, people who experience extra barriers to accessing the justice system.
The role of a volunteer in general is important within our society. In May this year, I was privileged to be chosen along with another volunteer to represent Redfern Legal Centre to attend the New South Wales 2013 Volunteer of the Year Award event. Everyone was grateful and appreciative of the services provided by volunteers of all areas.
This internship has provided me with extensive knowledge and experience in the areas of law and social justice. It has made me realise how important it is to help the people that are disadvantaged within the community. Any form of assistance is crucial as you cannot afford any sort of legal advice. and from the assistance they receive from Redfern Legal Centre that will improve their lives and their situations, and it will go a long way.